the things you do and how they make you feel.
Listen.
You can make a journal too, with 3 pages and a cover to tell your story. Pretending. Playtime. Books. At school. When I get mad.
What are you going to make your book about?
Or you can make the own with no story.
Oh, you can? Well, let's make a story.
Yes.
Okay.
You one.
Pick a story.
When I get mad when someone
What are the
How are the
choices?
things?
plays with someone else, won't share, won't play with me, says mean things to me, wants to be first.
Which one makes you mad?
And someone wants to be first.
Oh,
That
okay.
makes me feel
What are the choices?
sad, lonely, grumpy, disappointed, mad.
How does it make you feel?
Mad.
Okay.
I feel better when I talk with my friend, cry, hold my teddy bear, draw, stop.
What makes you feel better?
To talk with my friend.
Oh.
I share my journal. It helps me talk about my day and how I'm feeling. You can do that too.
Does it make you feel better when you talk to your friends if they want to be first and you get mad?
Yes.
Yeah? That's good. Do you want to draw a picture of you and your friend?
Okay, how about you can do?
Me?
How about you do?
Oh, just draw something quick.
How about nothing?
Okay. You did good.